stalking like a frog. K is for kangaroo, hopping with glee. L is for lion, the king of the spree. N is for monkey, swinging through the trees. N is for newt, gliding with ease. O is for owl, hooting in the night. P is for penguin, waddling in white. Q is for quail, with feathers so quaint. R is for raccoon, with its mask-like gait. S is for scorpion, armored and keen. T is for toucan, with a color sheen. U is for unicorn, a mythical delight. V is for vampire bat, soaring in the night. W is for worm, in the earthy squirm. X is for xenophron, creatures rare to confirm. Y is for yak, with fur thick and warm. Z is for zebra, in stripes they perform.